Cool. So we're at the last day of the convention here. It's Sunday. We just saw a panel about Friday the 13th, and me and my friends are just walking around. And we're going to just look at some booths and do some shopping. So that's mainly what I'm going to focus on this video. It's basically the merch. And I'll just film like the stuff that grabs my interest and like share some information of like the vendors themselves in case you guys want to order stuff online. So that's mainly what I'm gonna focus on this video today. So yeah, let's see what we can find. The frogs. This has got popular. Fucking frog purses. Right on. Huh? Soap that bleeds. All right. We got a fetus soap. Okay. Hey Sarah, look. They got a fetus soap.
Oh, yeah. Fetuses over there.
Okay, this is weird. It's like a decapitated baby. This is 6 soaps. Here's their info. If you guys want to follow them, give them a follow. Their soaps. Yeah. I don't know if that's a tampon. Possibly. Shit. Fuck. Yeah, gross. Cool. This is a Halloween shirt company. Simple enough to remember.
I like that cat shirt.
These are neat. They're like tic-tac-toe bags. Little characters. Yeah.
Really clever. I like that.
Here's their info. You guys can check it out.
Oh, look at it. Graveyard Zen Garden.
And Graveyard Zen Garden. Right on. Yeah, these ones are cool. I like this idea. Cool. They're like bat wings or the pufferfish lights. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is awesome. Awesome, good job. I believe this is the artist that did that. Jay Quartist. Yeah. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Snake in the popcorn.
Send that to my cousin Jessica because she ate snakes.
Look at that flying squirrel with the eyes. I love it.
And they're 45 right now instead of 50. As well as the bright colors are all 45 instead of 50.
Pretty gross. Good job.
No. Look at that thing.
I know, the flying squirrel's funny. It's another snake one.
It's going right into my right now.
You'll get the brains and maggots. So this is Sin City Props. All right. There's a business card if you guys want to check her out or buy something. Go ahead. We got Circus Mouse. Look at that. We got like a mouse here all censored. That's funny. You got Chun Skunk. Right on. This is Creepy Creations. All right.
Right? Yeah. Oh, okay.
There you go. Give her a follow. Right on. Right. California Ghost because of the puppies.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, she's been here.
This is Fabulous Frights.
Super bloom.
All right. Yeah. That's creepy. The Smile Man or whatever. So, hey, Tech.
I want this on your.
Hey, Tech. Look at these.
Huh?
Look at these.
The clowns?
Yeah.
Thanks for showing me.
I like that one.
Yeah, I don't like any of them.
Shit. The little kid here.
Yeah, I don't like the kitty
Yeah.
there.
We got a Krampus gang over here. I love the wooden faces that they got going on. They're just hanging out here. Krampus, fun for the whole family. Right on. Right on. Alright, I like this one. It's called Mischief. They got like a giant mouse pads and blankets. Interesting. Check out the mouse pads here. Let's see.
Yeah. It's like kind of weird, huh?
Yeah, there you go. If we gotta share the info, here's the Instagram, so give them a follow. Mischief. All right, I'm fucking done. I'm so tired. That's like as much as I was able to film. I'm done filming this event. I was able to get like about 4 videos out of this thing, I think, or 5. I'm not sure, but I hope you guys enjoy that, and you guys maybe find some cool merch for you guys to check out or buy. The girlfriend here. It was a fun, but super tiring.
Did I show them my fan?
No, you didn't show them the fan. Bye, bitch. Yeah, seriously, bye. I'm tired. Yeah, we're gonna walk around for maybe another hour and eat something and head home. That was fun. That was fun, but very tiring.
So much fun. And it goes by so fast, and then I get sad.
Yeah. Well, I'm just sad because I didn't sleep that much last night. Shit. But anyways, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.